What is up, guys? Bonjour, buongiorno. This is Julien, the French winemaking guy who makes wine videos here on YouTube. Yes, wine videos. And we are looking at how to pronounce the name of a famous Italian grape variety. This is a red wine grape variety that makes some delicious wines in the north of the country. We are in the Piedmont wine region, or the Piemonte. We are around the Langhe or Alba and Asti territory. Other grapes, local grapes that are very famous are Nebbiolo and Barbera. This is one of the top grapes up there. This is how to pronounce the grape Dolcetto. Dolcetto makes some rather opulent and slightly sweet, oily wines that are quite smooth and quite delicious, very fruity. How do you go about pronouncing this? Dolcetto is a typical Italian pronunciation. Dolcetto. Yes, the C is pronounced like CH, and because there is a double T, you do want to insist on the double T and the E in the middle. Dolcetto. Dolcetto d'Alba or Dolcetto d'Asti, for example. If you want to learn more about all of the grape varieties from Italy and how to pronounce them, what they are all about, here are videos that you may want to watch next. I'll leave you to it, and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of wine. Arrivederci. Ciao, ciao.